Hi students, in previous video we have discussed the center and radius of the circle, and the center and radius given we have to find the equation of the circle, and the equation and radius is given we have to find some constant. Okay, in this video we have discussed we will discuss some important models, some other problems. Okay, see, find the value of a if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 represents a circle, and also find its radius. Right? I have given an equation, it has given that it represents a circle. Find the radius. Already we have discussed, if any second degree equation represents a circle means the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be equal, and which are not equal to 0, and the coefficient of xy should be 0, and third one is e square plus f square minus s is greater than or equal to 0. Already we know that. So like that, the given equation is 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So it represents, as given that it represents a circle. So it represents a circle means we know the condition, the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square is not equal to 0. The coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be equal. So here the coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of y square. So what is coefficient of x square is 2. The coefficient of y square is a. So a is equal to 2. Now substitute a is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get, therefore the given equation will be, the equation 1 will be the form 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. As usual, divide throughout the equation by 2, we get 3 by 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Clear? Now compare this equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay? Also find the radius. So it is necessary to find the radius. Clear? So see. There is it. Here the center so see here 2z is equal to, I will write here, 2z is equal to minus 3 by 2, then z is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, and then 2f is equal to 1, then f is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and c is equal to minus 1 by 2. So substitute here. The center c minus z comma minus f, that is minus of minus 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4, and minus 1 by 2. And radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so that is equal to root over g square minus 3 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square minus of minus plus 1 by 2. So that equal to root over 9 by 16, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. By simplifying we get the radius as root 16 LCM, that is 21. So root 21 by root 16 is 4. So this is radius. Root 21 by 4. Okay, clear? Here has given an equation, it represents a circle equation. Already we know that when a second degree equation represents a circle, that is the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be equal, and the coefficient of xy should be 0. So here the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square equal, so a is equal to 2, and substitute a is equal to 2 in the given equation, we get the circle equation. From this you have to write g, f, c and substitute in the radius. Okay, clear? Okay, see, the another problem is find the values of A and B, if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 represents a circle, and also find its radius. So same as previous problem. Okay. So given equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. If it represents the second degree general equation represents a circle equation, if and only if the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be equal. The coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of y square is 3. So a is equal to 3. Clear? And next, the coefficient of xy equal to 0. So what is the coefficient of xy? That is b. So b is equal to 0. So now the equation 1 becomes, substitute the a b value in equation 1 we get. Therefore the equation 1, that means circle 1 becomes ax square, that is 3x square, 2hxy means 0 into xy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So that is 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Clear? Now divide throughout equation by 3x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, clear? Minus 5 by 2x minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the circle, and we will find the radius also. Okay, I will write. Now compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, x square plus y square. Okay, I will erase it. Compare this equation with x square plus y square. What is the equation? 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Now compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, then we get, okay, see, comparing it we get 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3, then j is equal to minus 5 by 6. Here f is equal to minus 2 by 3, then f is equal to 1 by 3, and c is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so what is center? Minus e comma minus f, that is 5 by 6 minus e, minus of minus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Radius root g square plus f square minus c, and root of minus 5 by 6 whole square plus 1 by 3 whole square minus of minus plus 3 by 2. So substitute 25 by 36 plus 1 by 9 plus 3 by 2. We will get root 21 by 16. Okay, that is root 21 by 4. That is radius of the given circle. Okay. Okay. Let us move to the next model. Obtain the parametric equations of the following circles. So first circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. Okay. Given circle equation is x square plus y square equal to 4. Now it can be written as x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 square. Now compare it with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Therefore, what are the parametric equations? The parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta, where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. So that implies x is equal to, here h is 0, here h is 0 and k is, here h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0 and r is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to h plus 0 plus What is r? R is 2. 2 cos theta, that equal to 2 cos theta, and y is equal to 0 plus 2 sin theta, that is 2 sin theta, where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Right? 0 less than or where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. So come to this model. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Now compare it with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So here, so 2z is equal to minus 6, then g is equal to minus 3, and 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 1. Okay, clear? So what is center? Center h comma k, that is equal to minus z comma minus f. So minus of minus 3 comma minus 2. Okay, so that equal to 3 comma minus 2, and radius r is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So root over g square minus 3 whole square is 9, f square is 4, minus of minus plus 12, that is root 25 to 5. R is equal to 5. Clear? So listen students, here hk is nothing but h is minus g and k is minus f. Remember, h is minus g and k is minus f in this form. Okay? So we know that h is equal to 3. H is equal to 3 and k is equal to minus 2 and r is equal to 5. Therefore, the parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, that equal to what is h here? 3 plus 5 cos theta, and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. What is k? K is minus 2 plus 5 sin theta, where it should be very important. 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Okay, 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Clear? So these are parametric equations. Okay students, we will discuss the remaining problems in next class. Okay, we will discuss the remaining problems in next class. Thank you.